Good morning to everyone. In the last lab, we have seen the concept of practical 3 and you have performed the practical 3. Am I right? Loop concept is explained to you or it's remaining? Concept of loops is remaining or done? Remaining. Okay. So let's start with the concept of loop. First of all, as you know, in a C language, there are three loops: while loop, do while loop, and for loop. Similar kind. Let me write the syntax of while loop according to the C. First initialization, then while, then into bracket condition, then open curly bracket statement, and increment or decrement, like this. Okay, here shell script almost 90% it is similar, but few changes are there. Let's see it. Initialization as it is while space instead of round bracket curly bracket square bracket and then space then condition space square bracket and then space then condition then space. Now instead of opening a curly bracket, we need to write the do and then here statement and then here increment operator or decrement operator, and at the end instead of closing curly bracket we need to write the done. So this is the syntax of while loop. So changes in a curly bracket, here in a round bracket. That's it. Now, for increment or decrement operator, we are just writing. So we use the shorthand operator I plus plus. But here in a shell script, directly you cannot use the I plus plus. Either you need to use by using one command, that is the let command. Use let command, then write I plus plus in a double quotation. Let is one command for this. Or without shorthand operator we are writing like this: I is equals to I plus 1. So इसको हम एक्सप्रेशन में कैसे लिखे? I is equals to I plus 1. So by using expr dollar is, this is known to you. So by this way, either use the let I plus plus in double quotation, or you can use the I plus plus. Instead of that, you can use the expr I plus 1. I is equals to I plus 1. Okay. Now second is the for loop. So in a for loop, I'm directly writing the syntax for Linux. Init semicolon, then condition semicolon, increment or decrement, then do statement, and then that's it. The changes double round bracket will be there, and instead of opening curly bracket and closing curly bracket, we need to use the do and done. There is no do while loop in this Linux, but there is another syntax for loop. For here you need to write the variable name, and in keyword, and here you need to provide the set of possible values. Let's suppose 1 2 3 4 5. Do and statement and then done. Now this syntax it means the यहाँ पे जो भी वैल्यूज आपने सेट में दी है वही वैल्यू यहाँ पे लूप में कंसिडर करेंगे. लेट्स सी दैट एग्जांपल. आई एम इरेजिंग सम एवरीथिंग. For let's say variable name is a, and I am printing here echo dollar a. Let me run it. So it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If I write without space, then it will print that number only. So make sure to separate out the two values, you need to put the space. If I write 2, 4, 6, 8, so on, that means इसमें जो प्री डिफाइंड वैल्यूज है वही आएगी. ठीक है. सो इसमें इनिशियलाइजेशन, इंक्रीमेंट, डिक्रीमेंट ऑपरेटर की कुछ जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. जो भी यहाँ पे सेट ऑफ वैल्यूज दी रखी है उसमें से ही होगा. ओके. नाउ योर टास्क. राइट shell script to display 1 to 10 using loops. Loops, it means while and for, and another syntax of that for. Okay, while and for with all loop. This is your task. So I'm giving you time right now. All of you start performing this thing, and here make sure uh, while लूप जब आप एग्जीक्यूट करवा रहे हो तब जो कंडीशन और ब्रैकेट्स जो दे रहे हो, सिंपल स्पेस मैनेजमेंट आप देख लेना. जो इट इज सिमिलर टू इफ एल्स में जहाँ पे स्पेस हमने दी थी, सिमिलर वाइल, देन वाइल कीवर्ड, देन स्पेस, देन स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट, ओपनिंग स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट, देन स्पेस, देन कंडीशन, और वेरिएबल हम जैसे ले रहे थे ऐसे ही. ठीक है. So I'm stopping screen right now. You start performing. Once you're done this cell script, put a message into a chat done. Do it fast. If you are finding any error, then please let me know. I am waiting for your response. If you are getting the error, then please let me know. Yes, Varun has done. What about others? પછી સ્પેસિફિકલી નામ લઈને બોલાવા ન પડે અને સ્ક્રીન શેર કરાવીશ એ અલગથી. Okay, next one is writer cell script to print to display the multiplication table of any number. For example, 5, then you should get 5 space enter 1 space is equals to 5. 5 space increase space 2 is equals to 10. Like this, you need to make a shell script for any number. So first read the number from user, and whenever user entered that number, multiplication table should be generated for that number. This is a practical number 4 as per GTU syllabus. Do it right now, and once you're done, then paste it then into a chat. I hope all of you are doing. Once you done this multiplication table of given number, paste into a chat done. And once, if you are getting any error, then please let me know. Yes, Karthik, share your screen. Let me show.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So, are you using are you performing in a virtual board? Yes. Okay, good. Not in REPA. Good. Okay, stop.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Bhagyesh, share your screen. Show me how you have done. While I less than equals to 10, do okay. When okay, Bhagyesh, whenever you are using the let command, no need to write the I is equals to I plus 1. You can use the shorthand operator. Try it right now. Let into bracket I plus plus. It will work. Okay, 9 2. Okay, done. Good. Stop your screen. What is the status of others? Be fast. Okay, good. Then write a shell script to find the factorial of given number n. So take a number from the user and find out the factorial. As you know the logic of factorial. Uh, for example, if you want to find the factorial of 5, then 5 multiplication by 4 multiplication by 3 multiplication up to the 1, then you will get the factorial. Or in a reverse, you can also say that 1 to n sub number ka multiplication, then you will get the factorial. So by using loop, you can perform that thing. This is your practical number 5. Keep all this record with you in a Word file. I will ask at any time on a Google Classroom. Right now you do this thing, and next lab we will continue with the next practical.